Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iGeekPhone.com. Today we are going to see two more toothbrushes that were sent to me from Oaklin. As you can see here, it's their sign. It's the Oaklin X Pro. Two really very good toothbrushes that were sent to me after I have already reviewed their latest model, Oaklin X Pro Elite. So, let's see what they have sent me and if they are as good as they are as their Elite version of their toothbrush. Now, I've already shown you the Oaklin X Pro Elite. This is the toothbrush that we have already reviewed in the past, which I'm really fond of it and I use it all the time. And now let's see the pink version. We're going to open the one of the Oaklin X Pro. Now, as features, they're almost the same, I have to say. The difference between the two toothbrushes, they do exist, but they are very little for someone to different. So this is the pink version. This is the blue one that I've already shown you before with the box. So this is the pink. You can find them in three colors. It's green, pink, and in four colors: green, pink, purple, and blue. This is the pink. All right, now inside it we're going to find the toothbrush, as you can see here, Oaklin. And we're going to find here, this is the magnetic base and charger. You can, like that, and you place it like that in order to charge it, and it stands. All right, we're going to demonstrate it and see how it works. There is a cable here. Here it is. It's a Type A cable. Type A cable here in order to connect it with the base and charge the toothbrush. The connector, the port is down here in order not to get wet. So we're going to connect it here. All right. I'm going to connect it to my power bank here in order to demonstrate it to you. And yes, I forgot to remove this thing. Let me remove it one moment. So I removed it. Take it. It's not that strong. Right now here is charging 70% charging. If I remove it, you can see here it says 70. Clean. You change it here. Brushing time. This is better. About mode, slide to start. Brushing strength. Brushing time to set. It has 2 minutes. I usually use this one of 2 minutes. Now, the specs of the Oaklyn X Pro. It has a frequency of 42,000, the same as the Pro Elite version. This is the Pro Elite version that I've already reviewed. It has 3 brassing modes, the Pro. From features, it has artificial intelligence frequency reduction. The battery life is about 30 days, 60 decibel. Less than 60 decibel is the noise that makes the toothbrush. Smart screen, as you have seen, 3 layers of lacquering for finishing process. It has a magnetic charger, as I have already shown you here. It needs about 2 hours in order to charge the toothbrush. It has gyroscope, Bluetooth connectivity, the app, the Oaklyn app that I'm already using with the Pro Elite. This is the app that shows you how much good was the toothbrush, tooth effect, and everything here. So, 32 layers of intensivity, and a 30 seconds timer reminder. Now the difference from mine toothbrush are very small, and I don't know if someone can understand them, so one can buy either the one or the other version. They are both very good. Now the brushing mode, mine has 4, this has 3. The noise is 45 decibel, the Pro version has 60. 3.5 hours needs my toothbrush in order to get fully charged. This has 2 hours, it needs about 2 hours in order to fully charge. There's no other difference in the specs. In the features, mine has super quiet auto valve and wireless charger. This has a magnetic charger. This is magnetic. Now, the noise that makes each one. So, this is from the Pro version. This is from the Elite. The truth is that my version is much quieter from the other one, but we're talking about toothbrush, so I don't really know how much a toothbrush can annoy someone if it makes some noise. Now, for sure, Oaklyn makes very good toothbrushes. I'm using mine for more than a month now, and I'm really very happy of it. As a doctor, for sure, I recommend their products for your teeth. You can get them at a very good price. They have a Christmas offer now that you are going to see popping up in your screen. So, we will continue with testing the toothbrush and see how it works. Now, this was our review for the Oaklyn X Pro toothbrushes. A toothbrush, a company that makes toothbrushes really good, and at least mine, the Elite version that they have sent me before, I'm really happy of it, and I use it every day as I have shown you. So there are toothbrushes that I do really recommend for you to use them and take them. You can find them at their site at a bundle offer now for the Christmas. A very nice present, a healthy present, a present that can keep up your teeth and mouth in a very good condition without any problems. I hope you liked our little video, and press like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is my doctor. Bye.